Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Space Heater. Number 5. Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater. Can heat up a large room with auto energy saving model with high and low feature. Tip over protection and overheat protection. Dual heating systems featuring infrared quartz tube plus PTC with 12 hours automatic shut-off timer. Uses standard 110V3 prong outlet. Remote control, high-pressure low-noise blower with noise level 39 dB super quiet. Heating coverage. Electronic thermostat, range 50 to 86 degrees. Caster wheels and live filter. Weighs 24 pounds and uses 12.5 amps of power. 1,500 watts. Electric cord 72-inch long. Number 4. Homegrow 1,500 watts infrared electric portable space heater. Efficiently and quickly heats up a medium to large size room. Dual heating system. LED display for easy monitoring. Quiet and efficient blower fan. Remote control included. ETL certified. Power, 1,500 watts, 120 volts. Minimum 13A circuit, 15A gives even better results. Dimension, 12 by 13 by 17 inches, weight, 11.5 pounds, cable length, 71 inches. Number 3. LifeSmart 6-Element W, Remote Large Room Infrared Heater. Made in USA or imported. Provides infrared warmth to a large room. Three heat settings including 500 watt eco setting. "12-hour start and stop timer. Digital thermostat with remote. Number 2. 400 watt portable mini heater personal ceramic space heater. Energy Smart uses only 400 watt. The portable heater allows you to heat up the spaces you are in to reduce energy consumption. Overheat protection and ETL listed. When the quiet heater's internal components reach a certain temperature that cause overheating. Quiet and powerful soothing radiant heat. The mini heater is perfect for medium-small rooms, table, office, dorm. ETL listed for safe use. Mini size, 6.3 by 3.15 by 6.3 inches. The dampness, humidity from showers and tubs causes the heating element to corrode. Number 1. Mr. Heater F23200MH9BX Body 4,0009, 4,000 to 9,000 BTU radiant heater for spaces up to 225 square feet. Approved for indoor, outdoor use. When operating the heater at altitudes over 7,000 ft above sea level, the heater may shut off. Auto shut off if tipped over, if pilot light goes out, or if detects low oxygen levels. Fuel consumption, burn rate. Fold-down handle, swivel out regulator, connects to propane tank, not included. Runtime, HRS at max BTU, 3 hours. Accessories. Attachments with this heater are expressly prohibited, may cause serious injury.